Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Ferry Industrial Estate or the Ferry Industrial Park, and we're going to look at some massive warehouses. Now this area is one of the most sought after areas in Jamaica. We have to give credit to the developers because back then when they built it, I don't think they realized it would have been so successful. So what's happening now is a lot of the old warehouses that are located in Kingston, the companies are closing them and relocating to this new facility. Now this facility has easy access to the highways. It's located off Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, and you can get to any major highway from Mandela Highway. You can get to the three busiest places in Jamaica: Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. Yeah. This place is ideal and it has modern infrastructure. It has proper water facilities, electricity, internet. This is like a warehouse, what? Urban center. You just have massive warehouses located over here, modern facilities. Like you have the Morant Bay Urban Center where you have all the government entities in Morant Bay going to that one spot. Over here you have all the major warehouses in Jamaica coming here. All the companies setting up their warehouse here. The video started with the Derrimon Trading warehouses. Now we're looking at the Tankwell warehouses and many more. Nestle's over here, Tropical Batteries over here. See, this is what happens when you build modern infrastructure. Everybody wants to modernize. Now, Carreras, the company that distributes cigarettes in Jamaica, one of the largest companies in Jamaica, they recently built a warehouse over here and they are now closing their other warehouses and offices and moving everything into this one facility that's located over here. I'll point it out to you when we fly over it. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what Carreras is doing. Carreras Limited, the Jamaican cigarette distributor, is set to consolidate all its local operations at 8 Automotive Parkway in the Kingston 20 area by the end of 2024. The company, which had split its operations between offices at Hagley Park Road and Ripon Road after selling its Twickenham Park base in 2015, will now return to this location at the border of St. Catherine and St. Andrew, which is what we're looking at now. The new facility, spanning 27,000 square feet, will house both office and warehousing space, allowing Carreras to streamline its operation for greater efficiency. So many other companies are moving over here and Carreras is now the latest one. Also, as we continue to fly around, you're going to see a lot of construction going up, land cleared. I think all the spots over here have been sold or on the contract basically because everybody that has a major warehouse wants to move to St. Catherine. It's between this facility and Bernard Lodge. I think you're going to find all of or the largest warehouses along this stretch or in the St. Catherine area. And you have to give credit because Mandela Highway was renovated. Highway 2000 North-South leg that takes you from Kingston to Negril. You access it from Mandela. Highway 2000 North-South leg, Kingston to Montego Bay. You access it from Mandela. So you could leave this facility and get to the highway that takes you to Negril in 1 minute. You could leave this facility and get to the highway that takes you to Montego Bay in 2 minutes. You can leave this facility and get to Kingston in 5 minutes or maybe 3 minutes. Get to Portmore in 5 minutes. Get to Spanish Town in 10 minutes. perfect location. And you see how much space there is? It's not cluttered with houses all around it. It's well laid out. Modern infrastructure. Modern infrastructure. Alright, guys. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.